Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Datadog logs for AI alerting workflows step by step clearly. To backup Datadog logs for AI alerting workflows, begin by navigating to your Datadog dashboard. Log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once on the dashboard, locate the Logs section in the sidebar. Click on Logs to access the Logs Management interface. In the Logs interface, use the filters to select the specific logs you want to backup. You can adjust the time range to narrow down the logs according to your needs. After applying the necessary filters, find the option to export logs. This is usually available in the upper right corner of the Logs view. Select the export format that suits your workflow, typically JSON or CSV. Once you've chosen your format, click on the Export button. The logs will be prepared for download. Wait for the download to complete. After downloading, store the logs in a secure location on your system. Next, consider using cloud storage for added safety and accessibility. Upload the logs to your preferred cloud storage solution. Ensure the logs are organized in a way that you can easily access them later. Now, integrate these logs into your AI alerting workflows. Utilize the relevant AI tools that can analyze these logs effectively. Follow the documentation of your chosen AI tool to set up the integration. Make sure to test the workflow to confirm that the logs are being processed correctly. Monitor the system regularly to ensure that the alerts function as intended. Make adjustments as necessary based on performance and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.